rather a surprising picture for the latter part of August, but certainly quite a blow for the eastern coast of England. Also some very heavy rain. Now we've seen some heavy rain through the afternoon. The radar picks up the showers quite nicely, moving the way slowly southwestwards. It also picks up the first bit of the rain that's going to come in from the east. It's this area of low pressure across Germany which is now developing, and that's going to be pushing the cloud here across the southern parts of the North Sea further and further westwards as we go through this evening. In fact, by the end of the evening, that rain could well be across eastern parts of East Anglia, and then it's going to press southwestwards, so some very heavy rain likely across those southeastern parts of England for the second part of the night. Further north and west, those showers tending to die down. Now, as the rain comes in, we're going to have some very strong northerly winds. In fact, some of those winds could touch gale force by the end of the night. The low itself actually settling down across the southern part of the North Sea right through Thursday, not moving very far at all. So that rain is still going to feed southwards across those eastern areas, probably from the East Riding of Yorkshire southwards through Lincolnshire, East Anglia and the southeast, for the burst of heavy rain right through the day. And also strong winds too continuing, although perhaps by the end of the day those winds will have eased off somewhat. Now further west we are going to find the day largely dry and bright, but really it is those eastern areas that are going to find the brunt of the weather right through tomorrow. Bright weather then further west, one or two showers here and there, but most places dry. Perhaps still a few spots of light rain and drizzle in the far northeast of Scotland, and later in the day too a few spots of drizzle in the far northwest. Now there's the low on Thursday. It's going to continue moving slowly northwards through the next few days, allowing this weak frontal system to push southwards across the country during Friday. But then, for the weekend, I think high pressure looks like asserting itself quite strongly in from the southwest, bringing some fine conditions. So Friday, we still have the rain on those eastern coasts and the strong winds for a time, but that's going to move away as this band of cloud and showery weather pushes its way southwards. By the time it gets to the south, I think the showers are quite light. Following on from that, some bright weather with some showers, particularly over those northwestern areas. Those showers continuing on Saturday, but most places further south, fairly dry and bright, and certainly most places on Sunday dry with some sunshine. Reasonable temperatures by day, but the mornings on the chilly side with some mist patches. That's it from me. Good evening.